Hello, wordsmiths. I was thinking about how to stay with the times, how to remain relevant in this, our rapidly changing world. Appropriately enough, the word we're talking about in this video is contemporary. It's an adjective. It means dealing with the present day or existing at the same time. And weirdly, when I think about this word, I think about a song from the 1950s, Design for Living by the English musical duo Flanders and Swan, where they talk about their lovely little house that is so stylish and up-to-date that they can't live in it. We're terribly house and garden at number 7B. We live in a most amusing muse, ever so very contemporary. And then they go on to talk about how the garden's full of furniture, the house is full of plants, etc., etc. It's very cute. Look it up. But look it up later. We've got word origins to explore. It's a pretty straightforward etymology, a pretty straightforward word origin for contemporary. Con means together in Latin, and temporary comes from Latin temporarius, which has to do with time. So con and temp for time. So basically con, temp, together at the same time, right? Contemporary. Can you think of some words that use these word parts? The root temp for time and the prefix con for together. Let me put on some contemporary music. 10 seconds. Here we go. Shout them out. Here are three that I came up with. Temporary, meaning for a short time. Tempo, which is the speed of music, like beats per minute. And convenient, easy, suitable. I love convenient because it means comes together, right? It's convenient because it's all close by. I love it when a plan comes together because it's literally convenient. Now, let's use contemporary in a couple of sentences. I love contemporary art, though Jesse sometimes finds it challenging. Here I'm using contemporary to mean modern art or art from now. Let's use contemporary to mean alive at the same time. It's hard to believe that Mozart was contemporary with dinosaurs, because he wasn't. I know dinosaurs and humans weren't alive at the same time. I just really wanted to draw an 18th century guy with a wig in the Cretaceous era hanging out with a triceratops. I'm a simple man with simple needs. I count myself lucky to be contemporary with you, wordsmiths, because it is the privilege of my life to tell you over and over that you can learn anything. David out.